Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Adhoc report in the AIV. The Adhoc report allow you to create the custom report dynamically without predefined templates. Build insightful reports by selecting fields, applying filters and customizing layouts, all in just a few clicks. Perfect for the on-demand data analytics and visualization. An ad hoc report is generated on fly, presenting information in table or charts to address questions that have not been predefined in production reports. Creating the ad hoc report. Well, before creating, we should understand the workstation of the ad hoc report. It contains the components and the menu bars. Let's understand one by one. In Component Center, we have components like a table, chart, image, annotation, text, and pivot. These components use dataset to display visualizations according to user requirements. User need to drag and drop the components from the left to the center content area to display them on the ad hoc report. On the top side, you can see a one menu bar which contains a template to the run menu. Let's understand one by one. The top menu bar allow the user to run the report after selecting the templates. The default template is the Airbus template, which is provided by the AIV application. Let's understand the running report. This feature allows user to select the previously created and the saved report from the drop-down. User can select saved reports and templates. Parameter mapping. The user can check the mapped parameter by clicking on the parameter mapping button. Show all checkbox. If the select all checkbox is selected or checked, the report will display all the records in the Adobe report output. Output type dropdown. The dropdown allow user to select the output type such as HTML, PDF, PPTX. If we remove the pivot component from the report, we will able to see all the output types here. The run button execute the report when clicked. The report dialog box appear, allowing user to add the report title and control the blind parameters. Lastly, let's understand the section. The section in the ad hoc report enable user to add and organize different parts of the report into distinct section. By using this section, user can focus on the specific component, making the report more structured, easier to navigate. This feature helps clearly separating various data visualization and insights, enhancing the overall readability and usability of the report. Well, you can simply add, delete, or edit the section. Lastly, you can see the save button on top right corner from where you can save the reports. While saving the report, you can see the name and the save as drop down. Here you can convert your report into a template by just simply selecting the save as drop down. Let's see the ad hoc report in action.